Nung malaman ko na nandyan na dumating na ang courier na nagdala ng ating silver play button, dali-dali akong lumabas para i-receive ko ito. Bago ang lahat, magandang araw mga ka-food park. Gusto ko lang ibahagi sa inyo ang isang napaka-espesyal na moment na ito. Dahil sa inyong suporta, natanggap na natin ang YouTube Silver Play button. Grabe, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Ang award na ito, oo, pangalan ko ang nakalagay, pero para talaga ito sa ating lahat. Kung wala kayo, yung mga nanonood, nagla-like, nagko-comment, nag-share at saka yung mga nagsusubscribe, hindi ko maaabot ang milestone na ito. Nang nagsimula po ako sa YouTube, simpleng pangarap lang ito. Hindi ko akalain na lalaki tayo ng ganito kalaki bilang isang magkakasama. Duman din sa pagsubok, may mga panahong gusto ko nang sumuko, pero dahil sa suporta ninyo, andito pa rin ako. At ngayon hawak na natin ang silver play button na patunay na sulit lahat ang pagod at hirap. Pero hindi dito nagtatapos ang ating journey. Mas lalo pa akong magsusumikap para makagawa ng maraming videos na makabuluhan at mapupulutan ng kaalaman. At syempre, sama-sama nating aabutin ang susunod na target, ang gold play button. Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal at suporta. Ang silver play button na ito ay hindi lang sa akin, kundi atin. Ayan, nabuksan na natin ang ating silver play button. At yung pinakauna ay isang tarheta na nagpapatunay na na-inspect at na recognize ang ating silver play button milestone. At meron din sulat ang ating CEO ng ating YouTube at babasahin ko po ito. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th subscriber? Or your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do? Do we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber? Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor an impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with our community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we have just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Niall Mohan, YouTube CEO. At para naman sa aking mga subscriber na hindi nakakaintindi ng Tagalog, hey everyone, today is such a special day and I just want to share this incredible moment with all of you. Because of your support, our channel has officially surpassed 100,000 subscribers and YouTube has sent us the silver play button. This award may have my channel's name on it, but honestly, it belongs to all of us. Every single view, like, comment, and share has brought us here. I can't thank you enough for being part of this journey. When I first started this channel, I never imagined we would grow into such a big family. There were challenges along the way, moments I almost gave up, but your support kept me going. This silver play button is a proof that with passion, consistency, and community, anything is possible. And this is just the beginning. I'll continue working hard to create more content that will inspire and connect with all of you. Our next goal is, of course, the gold play button. And I know we can get there together. Once again, thank you so much for making this. This silver play button isn't mine, it's ours. Let's keep growing, learning, enjoying this amazing journey together. Again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.